you straight to your bed. You thought that was the end of the story. Something inside me called freedom came alive.